Want to track how efficiently you sell and restock products? In this video, we'll show you how to calculate inventory turnover in Excel using a free template. Start by downloading and opening the inventory turnover template for Excel. It includes an example tab with sample data so you can see how the calculations work, plus a blank tab to enter your own numbers. Add a product and enter data in the item number, name, manufacturer, description, cost per item, and stock quantity fields. The template automatically calculates and fills in the current inventory value. Next, enter the beginning and ending inventory values for the period you're tracking. The template auto-calculates your average inventory. Your current inventory value may match the beginning or ending value depending on when you're entering the data. In the COGS column, type the total cost of goods sold for each product during your reporting period. Remember, this is what you paid to buy or produce the items sold, not your total revenue. Once you add the COGS and average inventory, the template automatically calculates the inventory turnover ratio for each product. Now set a turnover target for each item. Use industry benchmarks as a starting point or your own past turnover rates to set a realistic goal. For example, here is a list of inventory benchmarks to help you with the turnover rates data. The sheet will instantly show whether you're meeting or missing that target. Enter your reorder level, days per reorder, last sold date, and item reorder quantity. Your reorder level is the stock threshold that triggers a new purchase order. A common formula is average daily sales multiplied by the product's lead time in days, plus a small buffer for safety stock. Use Excel's sort or filter tools to flag overstocks and understocks. This lets you see which items have the highest or lowest turnover ratios and which products need more or less stock. With these insights, you can make faster restocking decisions and keep inventory levels balanced. Ready to take control of your inventory and optimize supply levels? Smartsheet makes it easy to manage inventory online with real-time tracking, automated alerts, and built-in collaboration.